my name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today, and I'm going to be sharing 8 new DIYs that I made for your Christmas tree. They are going to be DIY ornaments that you can make as a family with your kiddos and have a fun time doing crafts. So I really hope that you like and enjoy these ideas with me using Dollar Tree items. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. And guys, I have so many Christmas DIYs ideas on mine that I want to share with you also. So please make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. And let's get started! Okay guys, for the first project, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree chalkboard tags, and the package brings about 6 of these, and they're perfect to create some tag ornaments. And the first thing I did was to decorate it a little bit, and for that you can put like a small bow of any ribbon that you like, or you can also cut and stick a small piece of pine picks and then add some mini pine cones and some berries, all from Dollar Tree, just to give it a nice touch to this ornament. Then you can use a chalk. I bought this chalk marker and it is amazing, and in the description I left the link of where you can find it. And this is a chalkboard tag, so you can draw or write whatever you want. I decided to make some super simple and cute Christmas trees on it. You can also use maybe paint or any Christmas sticker that you find and you like, or you maybe can use your Cricut if you have one and create a decal and stick it on your project. Guys, you can make 6 of these chalkboard Christmas tags ornaments for just $1, and they look beautiful to put on your Christmas tree, or maybe to add a nice touch to a present. For the next project, I will be using these DIY Dollar Tree ornaments, and they come in different sizes and shapes, and you have so many possibilities with them. I decided to make something that looks simple and modern. So the first thing I did was to paint the lid of all the ornaments in a black chalk paint color, and then just dry them very quickly with my heat tool. I'm going to be doing something different in all of my ornaments, and in the biggest one, I will be placing some eucalyptus leaves that I just have at home. I'm going to put them inside of the ornament and then put the lid on it. In this ornament that looks like a light bulb, I'm going to be placing a pine pick that I took from one of the Dollar Tree holly bushes, and I'm going to place it inside along with some berries. And then I'm going to try to like accommodate everything. For that, you can use maybe like a thin and long piece like a pencil. Finally, in the 2 smallest ornaments, I will be placing some berries. And guys, these berries are perfect from Dollar Tree because they are made of foam, so you can fit them quite well inside of your bulb. Then you can put some mini pine cones, and also you can add a piece of pine pick that you can cut from these holly bushes from Dollar Tree. once I was done, this is how all the ornaments look like, and I love it because they have a high-end modern kind of look, and they're very cheap to make using Dollar Tree supplies. For the next project, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree U-twine, and I'm going to be creating tassels. I give it like 15 to 20 turns around my fingers, and then I tied everything to one side and then just cut the other end of the U-twine. I really hope that you can see what I'm doing because this is kind of difficult to explain. Once you have your tassels, you can use these Dollar Tree DIY wooden stickers. You can remove the tape that they have on the back side, and then you can tie the tassel on one side with a piece of U-twine. On the other side of this snowflake, I place another piece of U-twine to be able to hang this ornament from the Christmas tree. This sticker set comes with different wooden pieces, and if they don't have like the holes at the ends like this snowflake, you just have to use a drill and make the holes yourself, and it is very easy. This pack has 12 of these wooden stickers for only $1. So with some twine and a pack of these DIY stickers, you can make 12 ornaments. And if you are making like a boho Christmas theme this year, this is a really great and cheap option for you, my friend. Next project, and oh my god, I love this one. You only need a container with water, and you need some spray paint of the color that match with your Christmas theme this year. I choose black, and I'm going to spray the water a little. Then you can reuse your old ornaments. Mine are from like 3 years ago, and they have this beige color, and I just have to place them inside of the spray water very carefully so that the ornament is paint, creating a marble look. In the first ornament, I made a mess with the water, but I promise it's very easy to do. You just have to like keep practicing, and the rest of the ornaments are going to look so much better than the first one. Guys, they dry very quickly, and you can also place several colors of spray paint in the water at the same time, so that the marble look have like different tones. And as I said, you can reuse the old ornaments that you have at home and give it a new and complete different look. I love it. For the next project, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree wood stems to create a rustic ornaments. And the first thing I did was to make a small hole in each of the stems on one side with my drill. From there, I'm going to be using some of these chalk paint in black color, and I'm going to paint a circle in the center of each of the stems. Once the paint is dry, you can place a piece of twine and tie a knot to be able to hang our ornament on the tree. You can also place a small bow of the ribbon that you like the most. This is just a simple red ribbon that I like, and I'm going to stick it on each of the stems to give it a nice touch. This is a chalk paint, guys, so you can use your chalk marker and draw or write whatever you want on each of the stems. And I decided to make some simple and cute Christmas tree and a star in the smallest stem. You can also use white paint or maybe stickers to create your ornaments. And the package of these wood stems has about like 10 stems, I think. So with only $1 you can make several ornaments, and it is an easy and cheap option to give it a rustic and unique touch to your tree. For the next project, I'm going to be using these mini broken plaques. They are from Michael's store and they cost only 99 cents. And for this project, I decided to use my Cricut and create these decals to stick them on each of the plaques. All of the words have a drawing and I love them because it makes them unique and different. I just had to place a transfer tape on each of the decals and stick them on each of the plaques. And in the description box of this video, guys, I left a Cricut SVG file of these decals so that you can do this same project if you want. For the wood, you can use these same broken plaques or any piece of wood that you have at home and that work to make this kind of project, or you can also stick this type of stickers anywhere. And once you're done with all of your plaques, this will be the result, and I love it. They are 8 ornaments with 8 words that you can place in your tree for a Christmas decor on a budget. For the next project, I'm going to be using these bells that I had in my house, or you can use bells that you can get from Dollar Tree. I think they come 6 or 8 in a package. I will also be using beads, and I get all my beads in Amazon for a good price. So in the description box you can find the link from where I get mine. And I'm going to be placing a piece of twine on my bell, and then I'm going to place some beads and I'm going to tie a knot at the end so that they do not come loose. I'm going to be making another one of these mini garlands, but a little longer with more beads, and then I'm going to glue them next to the garland that we had already to make it look like double. To give it a cute touch, I'm going to be adding this small bow that I made with neutral tones to the top of these ornaments, and that will be it, guys. You can make several of these and place them on your tree or maybe in Christmas stockings and give them a modern and beautiful touch. For this last project, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree Twig balls, and they comes in different sizes and colors, and this size brings about 3 in a package for only $1. And the first thing I did was to put a piece of twine with a knot to hang it off the pine peaks later. To decorate each ball, I will be using some eucalyptus leaves that I just have at home, and I'm going to glue about 2 leaves on them with hot glue, and then I'm also going to be gluing berries to add a red touch. Guys, you can do the same in all of your twig balls in different colors, and they're going to look amazing. In my loves, all of these DIYs are extremely easy and fun to do, and you can do them as a family with your kiddos and create beautiful memories. Try to decorate your house this Christmas with special things that have a meaning and make you happy every time you see them. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really hope that you like today's video and have fun with me. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. And let me know in the comments which of these DIY ornaments is your favorite. And make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my new YouTube channel, Jazomy Home. All the links are in the description box, and see you on my next video. Bye guys.